React, Angular, and Vue, three of the biggest names in front-end development. But in 2025, which one is worth your time and energy? In this video, we will break down their strengths, weaknesses, and where each framework shines, so you can decide which one fits your career goals best. Let's start with React. React is created by Facebook and is the most popular front-end library today. It is component-based, flexible, and has a massive ecosystem. The job market for React is huge, making it a safe choice if you want high demand and community support. But the trade-off is, React is just a library. You will often need extra tools like Next.js or React Router to build complete apps. Now move to Angular. Angular is backed by Google and is a full-fledged framework. Unlike React, it gives you everything out of box: routing, state management, and even form handling. It is opinionated, structured, and great for large-scale enterprise apps. However, Angular has a steeper learning curve, and for beginners, it can feel overwhelming compared to React or Vue. Still, if you are aiming for big corporate jobs, Angular experience can open some serious doors. And finally, Vue.js. Vue is known for being lightweight, simple, and beginner-friendly. Its syntax is clean, and many developers say it feels like the best mix of React and Angular. It's especially popular in Asia and among startups who want to build fast without heavy complexity. The downside: Vue job market is not as big as React or Angular, but it is steadily growing. So, here is the takeaway. Choose React for flexibility and massive job demand. Go with Angular for enterprise level structure. And pick Vue if you want simplicity and a fast learning curve. So which one are you learning in 2025? Drop your choice in the comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I've got more comparison coming up to help you choose the right tech for your career.